Hello friends, now in this video lecture we are going to discuss a definition and classification of transducers. Basically, transducer is a device which transforms a non-electrical physical quantity, that is temperature, sound, light, into an electrical signal, that is voltage, current and capacity. That is initially temperature, sound or pressure, it is an input, and with respect to that we get the corresponding output in terms of electrical quantity, that is either voltage, current, etc. Okay, so transducer contains two parts that are closely related to each other, that is sensing element and transduction element. You see here the first element is known as sensing element and the another element is known as transduction element. The sensing element is called as sensor. The transduction element converts the sensor output to suitable electrical form. So here parameter, for example pressure, temperature, force, it is sensed by the sensing element and the output is given to transduction element, and it then transfer or transform it into electrical signal. Now classification of the transducers. So broadly transducers are classified first on the basis of principle used, second active or passive, third primary or secondary, fourth analog or digital, and fifth transducers, inverse transducers. So analog and digital transducers, primary and secondary transducers, transducers and inverse transducers on the basis of transduction principle, active and passive transducers. Analog or digital transducers. Analog, it converts physical phenomenon measured into an analogous output, which is a continuous function of time. Examples are strain gauges, thermistors, LVDT. LVDT means linear variable differential transducer. Digital transducers, it converts physical phenomenon that is measured into an electrical output, which is in the form of pulses. Digital output is in the form of pulses. Nowadays these transducers are becoming more popular because digital signals can be transmitted over a long distance without causing much distortion due to amplitude variation and phase shift. Examples are angular digital encoders, digital level transducers. Primary transducers and secondary transducers. Primary transducers, the input signal is directly sensed by the transducer and the physical phenomenon is directly into electrical form. This type of transducer is a primary transducer.